continents of the world, major continents of the world, and the major oceans and the major mountains in the world. Clear? Yes. So first is the continents. First we'll discuss the continents. We know there are 7 major continents in the world. So you all are familiar with the continents, right? So first is where I'm marking according to the in order which we have discussed, right? So first is the Asia. So first is this Asia, where you need to mark here. So Asia you can mark in this region. Asia comes here. Then we saw Europe. Europe comes here. Then Africa. Then North America. Then here South America. Then Australia. Okay. So Antarctica here in this map here will come. So a continent start from here. So from the lower land surface, this map will be there. So in the lower part of it, the continent will come, and where it forms the Antarctica. Okay, so where the lower part of it comes this Antarctica. So in the map also you will be finding in the bottom of it where this Antarctica continent will come. Clear? So these are the major continents of the world. So first is Asia, then Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the major continents. Major continents of the world. Clear? The major oceans are continents we discussed, right? So 7 major continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. This is very simple thing. Clear? Yes. Then major oceans. Clear? Major oceans there. So what are the major 4 oceans? Major 4 oceans. First, Pacific Ocean, right? First is Pacific Ocean. So you can write Pacific Oceans here. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Since Pacific Ocean is circular, you can write on this east, the corner west of it and the corner east of it. So here also you can write Pacific Ocean. Pacific. So here also you can write this Pacific Ocean. Clear? So both the sides the Pacific Ocean will cover. Since it is this ocean is in the circular shape, this Pacific Ocean will cover both these sides. Clear? Then the Atlantic Ocean. It is a S shape, right? So you can see this shape, right? This S shape. So you can see this, right? This is a yes. So this shape is where the Atlantic Ocean comes. Atlantic Ocean comes. Clear? So this Atlantic Ocean comes here, and you can see this as a S shape, right? So we call this ocean as the S-shaped ocean. And you can see here this Indian Ocean. So this comes in this lower part. So where this Arctic Ocean comes in it is in the top of it. It is in the top of this Europe. Top of Europe, you can write here the Arctic Ocean. Clear? So the Arctic Ocean you can write in the top of this Europe. Clear? So here you can write Arctic Ocean. Clear? Okay, so this is the major oceans where you can notice here the point Southern Ocean, right? So the Southern Ocean, you can notice here, it is also the ocean, but it is not an important or a major ocean. It is where only a less amount where we call this a Southern Ocean. Clear? If they ask Southern Ocean, you can mark in the near this Antarctica region. So the Southern Ocean is not much important. So that is why we discuss only about major 4 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian and Arctic Oceans. Clear? So here you need to mark the oceans properly. Okay. So these are the map which they given in your geography part, major domains of the earth. So the major domains of the earth comes the major continents and the major oceans of the earth. So the major continents like Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So these are the major continents, and the major oceans such as Pacific Ocean, Atlantic, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. And finally the Southern Ocean, which is near the Antarctica region. And so the Europe and Asia has been separated by the Ural Mountains, and the North America and South America are connected by the Isthmus of Panama. The South America has the largest range of mountains called as Andes Mountains. Clear? Yes. So Europe and Asia, to the landmass of Europe and Asia together called as Eurasia. I repeat, Europe and Asia are separated by the Ural Mountains. And Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped, Pacific Ocean is circular in shape, Indian Ocean is in triangular shape. Indian Ocean is in triangular shape. Clear? Yes. So Australia is the one of the smallest continent. Africa is the second largest. Asia is the first largest. North America is the third largest continent. Clear? So this is about the major domains of the earth.